What's up, guys? I'm back with a look that I created with the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette. I never do voiceovers when I do my looks, but today I am. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. So starting now, I am going to base my eyelids with this Tarte Tape Shape Concealer. I use the shade Tan Sand, if anyone is wondering. So starting out, I'm going into this light blue color. I don't even know if this palette has names for its colors, but I'm not biased, so I can't look. But yes, I'm using this as my first transition shade. Now I am going into the darkest blue in the palette, and I'm going to put that right under that light blue shade. I should have used the blue at the bottom, but I'll add that in later on. So now I'm going to cut my crease out using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And then I am going to put that silver on my eyelid. And here I'm just clearing up any glitter that may have fallen out from that shade. It can get messy because it's a pretty shimmer shade that has a lot of flecks in it. Here I'm using the NYX matte eyeliner to line my lid, and then I'm topping that with the NYX Sapphire eyeliner. I thought it would go good with this look here. So I noticed it was a, what color is this? Dang, I can't think of the type of blue it is, but it matches the bottom blue better than it did the top blue. So I'm gonna go and layer that on the top. I wish I would have used more of that blue at the bottom, but it's too late now. But the look still turned out good. Now I'm going to prime my face with Fenty's primer. I love this primer. It feels like a lotion. It doesn't dry your face out even though it's a matte primer. The foundation I chose to use today is the NARS All Day Luminous foundation. This is the shade Tahoe. I like to use a brush first, and then I always go back in with my beauty blender. I just feel like you get the best coverage if you use both. So the concealer I'm going to use, of course, is the Tarte Tape Shape. I put that everywhere I want to highlight, under my eyes, forehead, nose, and my cupid's bow and chin.
Hold up.
I think everyone knows that you can find some high-end makeup at TJ Maxx and Marshalls now. Y'all found this ABH foundation stick at TJ Maxx. I forgot the price, but I'm going to do a haul of everything I found at TJ Maxx. But this is in the shade Mink. N is made for contour. I didn't know that they had shades for contour, but that's what the package said, that it was made for contour. But yeah, I'm glad I found this item. This is my first time using the black Radiance loose setting powder. I've been seeing this all over YouTube. I love the yellow tint it has to it versus the white tint that Laura Mercier has. And now I'm setting my contour with Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I use the darkest shade in the palette.
It's a chubby thing.
And now I'm going back to set my whole face with my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish, and I am in the shade Medium Deep. And then I'm going in with blush. This is ABH Berry Adore, the trio. On the left side, you see I put way too much blush, but I do go back to fix it right here. And here I am outlining my bottom waterline with this Maybelline Unstoppable Eyeliner. And then I'm going to go back with those blue shades and put them under my bottom waterline. This really brings the looks together. And for highlighter today, I am using ABH Amrezy highlighter, one of my favorite highlighters, guys. Y'all should really grab this if you do not have it. I'm just going in with MAC's Chesnut pencil to line my lips. And I am going to go over top of my lips today with ABH lipstick in the shade Milkshake. And of course, I'm going to finish up using a setting spray. This is Maybelline's Facestudio Master Fix. So that is it for this look, guys. If you like this look, leave me some comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.